Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G04 smartphone. In this video you will learn how to increase or decrease ringtone volume and other volumes in your phone Moto G04. First of all, go to the settings of your phone. Go to settings, then go to sound and vibration, and here you can adjust volume. Okay, this is media volume. Okay, adjustment. Just you can move this part to the left side to decrease volume. If you want to increase volume, you go to move this part to the right side. Okay, in a similar way, this is call volume. Okay, this is ringtone volume, ring volume. If you move to the right side, volume will be increased. If you move to the left side, volume will be decreased. Okay, in a similar way, you can increase or decrease notification volume. Okay, then alarm volume. So in this way, you can easily control ringtone volume and other volumes on our phone Moto G04. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.